All right, so this is a vintage Hoover PowerDrive. Self-propel works. Everything on it works. I don't have the hose for it, but I've got the tools. So before we get too far ahead, let's throw it on its back. Now we're going to take this completely full bag out. It's a Hoover Z bag. This one's going to get a Y bag, HEPA variety. I like this brand of bags. They're cheap and they work really well. I could have sworn these took the Hoover A bags or B bags, one of the two, but the Y bag fits in there perfectly, so I'm not going to complain. No filters, it's just the bag. All the more reason to use a HEPA bag. The cord on this is in pretty good condition. But now we're going to check out everything down here. This needs to be reset, and I'm going to spray all the paint off with isopropyl. All right, so if I remember right, these come off, I think that's it. Yep. That's right, these have two bags, or two belts rather. Both of them are still good. Let's slide this back on. All right, so we're gonna pull the brush roll out. Clean that up. Missing the piece that goes in here, of course. So I just gave the brush roll the bench grinder wire brush treatment. Looks a lot better now. I think that this has been serviced at some point, just based on how well this spins. All right, so I do have a new old stock drive belt for this machine. Yeah, this one's pretty loose. You can see it's already cracking. I need to get a new one of these, but this one's not that bad. It's just got the indentations there. So here's the new belt, 160147. This is actually from a Hoover Concept 1, but they all use the same belts apparently. Here's my trusty pick here. Go. So now I just have to go to the store and get a new one of these, -008. But it's got a lot of tension still on it. So we're just going to reuse it for now. If it breaks, it breaks. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just going to, you know, not spin anymore. But unfortunately, we don't have that little felt piece that goes in here, so I'm going to have to replace that or annotate it. Doubt that did much. Hardly anything, of course. That's a little better. So now we're just going to wipe off all of the paint marks on it.